Welcome to Genius Connect. Please subscribe and share.
Namaskar, I am Dipti Vadukul from Genius English Medium School, Rajkot. Today I will give you a brief idea for report writing. Now generally we are aware like what is report, or we all read newspapers, and nowadays it's very live, we all see news and there are so many news channels. So what are those things? They are reports which are prepared by the reporters and they are presenting to us. Let us see with the newspaper instead of going with the news channels. So in newspapers the things are coming in written and it has perfect format, certain way of writing, and then whatever we are reading. And whatever now you have read, it's written by such a person who was very much present there. A reporter, of course. So for report writing, the basic thing is you have to write as if you were there when the incident occurred, when it was there. So you can come to know that a report generally should be in past tense, because when something had occurred, you were there and you are narrating to the people, to the class of the people. So for report writing, there is a certain format. First thing. Second thing, we need to have it in past tense. Third thing, main thing, that you have to put it in such a way that you were present at that time. This is very much important. Now it has a specific format to write. When you are writing it, you have to say from where you are, whether it's an organization, whether it's an institution. You have to give that particular title there at the or in the beginning. Then you have to give the specific title of the report, which shows that for what purpose the report has been written. So the name of the institution and organization, below that the title of the report which you are going to write. Then next step is to write date. Now the name and the title both will come in the center. The date would go in the side. So the date, specific date on which the report has been written. Okay, so that date. And then with the paragraph you have to start writing the report step by step, how the thing happened. Okay, in that incident, how the incident happened in chronological way, you have to write the report. It should not be the end should be first or this should be first. No, it should be step by step. So after that, see, it should be in a formal way. Okay, and it should be written in such a way that we should come to know, or reader should come to know that how the accident must have been done. Okay, and then at the end, the name of the person who has written and the designation of the person, who the person is. With all this, let me give you an example. Our school is organizing every year on 26th of June the blood donation camp. Okay, so when we have to prepare the report on that blood donation camp, we can write the name of the institution, Genius English Medium School, title, blood donation camp, date 26th of June, and then how you started the event, how the event goes, from beginning till the end, how many of the people have donated the blood, what had been done during that time, how the people have reacted after that, okay, how the students have reacted after that. So all those things in a formal way after writing it. If you are a head boy or a head girl of the institution, you can write your name, then head boy or head girl, or if you are any other dignitary, you can write accordingly your designation. So this is what the entire idea of report writing. Hope this will help you out report writing in future. Thank you.
I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Genius Connect and put on the notification to receive more such videos. Like and share this video too. Thanks for watching.